Technology decisions shape how your business grows. Connectability IT Consulting provides expert guidance that helps businesses make smarter, more confident technology decisions. Turn IT into a strategic growth driver with business-aligned IT strategy and investment planning, plus secure cloud and hybrid infrastructure optimization. Make smarter technology choices with vendor and contract guidance that helps you select the right solutions and implement reliable, business-aligned technology tools. Stay audit-ready with compliance consulting that includes compliance gap analysis, policy development, and ongoing monitoring to maintain regulatory compliance. Keep IT initiatives on track with expert project management, structured implementation planning, and post-implementation support for smoother technology rollouts. Connectability brings proven expertise with 30+ years of experience, 500+ companies supported, and a 95.7% average customer satisfaction rating. Look what our clients say about our IT consulting. Businesses trust Connectability for clear guidance, practical strategy, and technology decisions that support growth. Ready to make smarter technology decisions? Contact Connectability today.